Hello dear student, welcome to the online class of mathematics. Dear student, this is the video of chapter 24 volume. In this video we are going to see the volume of cube and cuboid. Before starting volume of cube and cuboid, we have to understand what is solid. Solid, the object which have definite shapes and size are called solid. Every solid objects have different shapes. You can see here the solid shapes are cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder and sphere. These are all solid shapes. Each solid shapes occupy some space, so it's called volume. यानी जो solid shapes कोई जगह occupy करता है space, उस जगह occupies जगह को हम उसका volume कहेंगे. So dear student, let us revise cube and cuboid. What is cuboid? A solid object which has 6 rectangular face is called cuboid. For example, almirah, matchbox, refrigerator, etc. These are all cuboid shapes, and a cuboid whose length, breadth and height are equal is called cube. For example, ice cube, sugar cubes, Rubik cubes, etc. These are all example of cube. Now we are going to learn the next topic, that is volume of solid. As I earlier said that a solid which occupied certain amount of space is called its volume. Dear student, in this chapter we are going to learn the volume of cube and cuboid. But before that we have to understand the unit of volume. यानी वॉल्यूम का यूनिट क्या है. एज यू हैव लर्न इन एरिया दैट द यूनिट ऑफ एरिया इज स्क्वायर यूनिट, दैट इज स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर और स्क्वायर मीटर. बट इन वॉल्यूम द यूनिट इज क्यूबिक यूनिट. यानी आप अगर सेंटीमीटर, अगर आपका क्यूब का अगर साइड सेंटीमीटर में है तो उसका यूनिट होगा, वॉल्यूम होगा, वो होगा क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर. और अगर मीटर में होता है तो आपका वॉल्यूम होगा क्यूबिक मीटर. आई होप आप लोग को यूनिट ऑफ वॉल्यूम समझ में आ गया. अब हम अगला टॉपिक देखेंगे, वॉल्यूम ऑफ क्यूबॉइड. डियर स्टूडेंट, यू ऑल नो दैट क्यूबॉइड इज अ सॉलिड शेप and it is bounded by 6 rectangular faces. So the volume of cuboid is length into breadth into height, and unit will be cubic unit. So depending upon the measurement given by the question, अगर सेंटीमीटर होगा तो आप जानते हैं क्या करना होगा, क्यूबिक सेंटीमीटर लिखेंगे, और अगर मीटर होगा तो क्यूबिक मीटर. So let us see some example related to the volume of cuboid. First question, find the volume of the cuboid whose dimensions are length 16 cm, breadth 12 cm, height 8 cm. And the answer is length of the cuboid is equal to 16 cm, breadth of the cuboid is equal to 12 cm, height of the cuboid is equal to 8 cm. Therefore, the volume of the cuboid equal to length into breadth into height. So we will substitute the values, 16 into 12 into 8 cubic centimeter, and the answer is 1536 cubic centimeter. I hope आप लोग को पहला क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गया होगा. We will see one more example which will make you understand more better. So let us have the second question. Find the volume of cuboid whose dimensions are length 4.8 meter, breadth 3.5 meter, height 0.75 meter. And the answer is length of the cuboid
4.8 meter, breadth of the cuboid 3.5 meter, height of the cuboid 0.75 meter. Therefore, the volume of the cuboid is equal to length into breadth into height cubic units. So, we will substitute the values of length, breadth and height. So, 4.8 multiplied by 3.5 multiplied by 0.75 cubic meter. Hence, after multiplying, the answer is 12.6 cubic meter. I hope you all have understood.
So dear student, I hope you all have understood the volume of the cuboid, that is length into breadth into height, and the unit of volume. In the next video we are going to see the volume of cube. I hope you all have understood today's topic. If you have any doubt, you can contact me. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day.